Long ago, in the time when gods ruled the earth, Osiris was the wise and just king of Egypt. He brought civilization, taught farming, and spread harmony. His queen, Isis, was not just his wife, but also his most loyal companion, known for her deep knowledge of healing and magic. However, Osiris's brother, Set, was consumed with envy. He hated Osiris's popularity and power and longed to rule Egypt himself. Set hatched a cruel plan. He secretly built a beautiful ornate coffin exactly to Osiris's measurements. During a grand feast, Set presented it to the guests and declared, "Whoever fits perfectly inside this chest may keep it." One by one, guests tried, but none fit until Osiris lay inside. The moment he did, Set and his followers slammed the lid shut, sealed it, and threw the coffin into the Nile. Osiris drowned, and the coffin drifted far away. Egypt was plunged into sorrow. Chaos began to spread, and Set took the throne. Isis, devastated but determined, began her quest to find Osiris's body. After a long journey across the Nile and through distant lands, she finally found the coffin in Byblos, modern-day Lebanon, embedded in a tree. Using her divine powers, she brought Osiris's body back to Egypt and hid it in the marshes. But Set found it again. This time, in a fit of rage, Set chopped Osiris's body into 14 pieces and scattered them across Egypt. Isis, with the help of her sister Nephthys, searched every corner of the land and gathered the pieces of Osiris. With her unmatched magic, she reassembled his body and briefly brought him back to life. In that short time, Osiris and Isis conceived a son, Horus. Osiris, now no longer fit for the world of the living, descended to the underworld, where he became the ruler of the dead and the judge of souls. Years later, Horus grew up strong and wise. With his mother Isis guiding him, he challenged Set for the throne of Egypt. A great battle followed between order and chaos. After trials and battles judged by the gods, Horus defeated Set and reclaimed the throne of Egypt, restoring peace and justice. The myth of Osiris and Isis is one of the most important in Egyptian mythology. It symbolizes the cycle of life, death, and rebirth, the power of love and loyalty, the eternal struggle between good and evil, order and chaos. Osiris became the god of the afterlife, and every deceased soul hoped to join his peaceful realm. Isis was worshipped for her healing and motherly powers, and Horus was honored as the protector of the pharaohs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.